Hi, I'm Mark Graham, Engineering and Sales Manager here at Grilla Grills. We get asked all the time, so what makes you guys different? Obviously the grills do, but I'm going to talk about the rest. So first off, we're a family-owned business. We have over 40 years experience in the automotive, construction, furniture industries. This is how we got into the grills. Machines like this help my team and I quickly prototype new ideas, get them welded up, test them, make sure they're good, and then ultimately get them to your doorstep. Being that we're consumer direct, we don't have to pay retailer distribution fees, so I can keep the quality of these grills where we've always built them from and not sacrifice the price on that. For instance, all of our pellet grills are double wall constructed, 12-gauge stainless steel cooking grates, stainless steel internals. If we wanted to go to the big box stores, all that stuff had to be sacrificed just to get that price point to get into those stores, and that's something that we were not interested in at all. So we're excited that we can bring this kind of value at that kind of price to you. One of the other things we often get here in our showroom is people ask us, hey, you guys having a sale? Well, unlike big box stores that do big banners and newspaper ads and say big sale this week only, we're not going to jack our prices up just to have a great sale someday. Best price every day for everyone has been our motto, and it's been working well for us. I have a lot of favorite parts, but probably one of my most favorite parts is being right here in the showroom and hearing customers that come in. Easily 80% of the people that come in this door and talk to me or one of my other staff members, they have heard about us from a friend, a family, or maybe a review online. So for us, it's about taking care of the customer, make sure they have a good experience, make sure they love their product. They're going to be the best people to be our salesmen, not just hiring some guy to come in here and talk about our grills. So we really appreciate our customers spreading the word, and from a family-owned business standpoint, it doesn't get any better than that. When you call here, you're going to get expert advice. If you got a technical question, you're probably going to talk to me or one of my other technicians. You're going to get one of us and knows how to help you right away. And we find that customers absolutely love that part. Can't tell you how many times people are like, wow, that was a super fast answer. And I can't believe I didn't have to go through a teleprompter sequence just to get to a human being. And those are the interactions that customers have with us and why we get so many great reviews. And quite frankly, another one of the reasons that this makes this job a lot of fun. So customer service, got to knock it out every time. All right guys, so hopefully you can see in this video, we're not just another grill company. We're a family-owned business trying to bring you a good product backed by great customer service. So thanks for watching. If you got any questions, give us a call, of course. We love talking with our customers, and we'd be glad to answer any additional questions you may have. So thanks for watching, guys.